यह भारत और पाकिस्तान के बीच अंतर्राष्ट्रीय सीमा के पास उड़ान भरने वाले अंतर्राष्ट्रीय उड़ानों सहित नागरिक विमानों के लिए सुरक्षित नहीं है। यहां स्क्रीन शॉट में पंजाब सेक्टर में हाई एयर डिफेंस अलर्ट स्थिति के दौरान एप्लीकेशन फ्लाइट रडार 24 का डेटा दिखाया गया है। जैसा कि आप देख रहे हैं, यहां पर भारतीय पक्ष का हवाई क्षेत्र घोषित बंद के कारण नागरिक हवाई यातायात से पूरी तरह से रहित है। कराची और लाहौर के बीच के हवाई अड्डे मार्ग पर नागरिक एयरलाइंस उड़ान भर रही है। हाई अलर्ट किया गया है विमान फ्लाइनेस एविएशन का एयरबस 320, जैसा कि आप यहां देख रहे हैं, जो कि शाम को 5:50 दमम से शुरू हुआ और रात को 9:10 लाहौर में उतरा। ये सारा डिटेल्स आप यहां देख रहे हैं, ये डिटेल्स यहां लिखा हुआ है। कैन यू सी दिस?
May 7th।
भारतीय वायुसेना ने अपनी प्रतिक्रिया में काफी संयम दिखाया और इस प्रकार अंतर्राष्ट्रीय नागरिक विमान सेवा की सुरक्षा सुनिश्चित की। धन्यवाद। जय हिंद।
So, what she showed right now, let me just tell you what is happening. So, on the 7th, right? So, 7th, early morning is when we did Operation Sindoor on those 9 locations that we had identified as terrorist infrastructure, which was a non-escalatory strike that we did, precision strike. Next day at 10, you saw there was a press briefing that happened where they showed what they did. That night, on the 7th, is when shelling started and a lot of drones and air activity started happening both from the Indian and Pakistani side, etc. What Pakistan did is something really shitty, and there is no other way to say it. There was this flight that went from Dammam. It started in Dammam at 6ish on the 7th and went to Lahore. But if you see the path, look at this. It goes right above the locations that we had targeted. Bahawalpur, Burewala, all these places, and then went to Lahore. Right now, this entire airspace is supposed to be empty. We have been keeping our airspace empty. Pakistan is supposed to keep this airspace empty because obviously civil lives will be otherwise endangered, right? They sent a plane right when they started shelling and attacking us, which went through right from the. They were using a plane, a civilian plane with 200 people in it as a human shield. That is what they were doing. It's insane. And that is what the army has revealed today in the press conference. I don't know how to say this, but that's an extremely shit thing to do. Like putting lives in danger when there is a literal war going on. Civil airlines are not supposed to fly from these zones. It's just insane. So this flight went right above this. Usually the flight path is different. It goes like this. From here, Multan se leke, it goes to Lahore, but somehow it went like this right near the border and went crazy. I mean, so basically, in a way, what was happening was that when our air defense systems were activating, when their drones were starting to fly and things were happening, we had to be extremely careful not to hit that flight. Because otherwise, we would have been responsible for civilian deaths. And then Pakistan would have an excuse to just escalate more. Fortunately, our army, being competent, did not do that. My God, it's just the lowest of low that I have seen. It's insane. I cannot even describe this in words.